Hey guys, welcome to MotorcycleDen, and today we are talking about MRY Lens. They sell replacement lenses for most major manufacturers, and they reached out to me to see if I wanted to do a review on a set of their lenses. Now I have an old pair of Oakley jawbreakers, and I have a big scratch right in the middle of them, and I thought, what a great opportunity. And I'm excited to see how well they do, if they're as clear, and how well they fit in the glasses and everything. So let's check it out, guys. So, okay, they come with a bag, I guess a carrying bag, kind of, for the lenses. And you could use it to clean off the lenses themselves, like a microfiber cloth. It's nice feel to it. Let's see, your sunglasses best friend. Now I talked back and forth with someone from this company several times, and each time I contacted them, they responded very quickly. So it's not like I had to wait days for a response or anything, which that impressed me right away. A lot of times it might be 2-3 days before you hear back from a company, or not even at all. So I was grateful for that. And it says on this little tag here, it says, "We'd love to hear from you always. Make us better and help us stay better." Okay, so there's the lenses. See-through with polarized lenses. Now I did get the polarized, and I know some people say that you can't see certain oil spots or different things in the road. But I had a pair before, and I really didn't have too much trouble. So we'll see how these work out. Okay, so here's the lenses. They look really good. They look pretty clear. A great tint. I think these are going to work out good. We'll see though. I'll bring out another video after riding with them to let you know how I feel about the clarity of them. So let's get these lenses in and see how they look. Well, they fit in there good. They look great. Let's see. Let's try these on. Oh yeah, they look good, guys. I'm impressed with them. These really wrap around your face. Like I said, a lot of bicyclists use them, but they work great for motorcycles. Like I mentioned, they carry several replacement lenses for major brands: Maui Jim, Ray-Ban, Oakley, Wiley X, and which I have a pair of Wiley X glasses, and I may contact them about getting a pair for those. But I like these. They look pretty good. We'll see how well they hold up, and I'm gonna ride with them a little bit and see what I think of them. Let you guys know. So I will put a link down below, and we will talk to you later. See ya.